Aha! There's the blue puffball! And look who we've with! Splotch! Come and destroy!
No, you do it yourself.
We don't like you.
Yeah, we mean that.
Emphatically.
Yeah, what does that mean?
I have no idea.
Good word.
Run, lady, quickly, and I'm going to help you.
We have to help them.
So am I, milady. I'll not let you down again.
Need every plane we've got.
Ah, who needs you, Splotch?
Watch out for the viaduct. It's dangerous.
Let's get closer.
Go! Move, now!
Come on. Mush. Come on, Pitch.
He's joking, right?
Ryu.
Stay with... Let me borrow that thing, lady.
Ralph, where are you going?
I'll meet you at the finish line!
What's the matter? Lady. That engine's name is Lady. She's part of the clue to the source of the gold dust.
Now I'll get you, Burnett Stone.
No, you won't, because the magic you refuse to believe in will get the better of you.
You can run, but you can't hide. Right, Pinchy? Pinchy's hungry.
Get back!
Come on, lady.
Let's get out of here. Coming, puffball. Look out! Here I come! Duck, Pinchy! I like my lunch steamed. Pretty fast for a puffball.
Well, lady, this is your shining time, too.
I hope so. Come on, lady. Little engines can do big things.
Well done, Thomas. Well done. That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow.
Oh, yeah!
Nice roping, cowboy.
That was definitely Woody's finest hour.
You'd be very good at it. That's my boy.
Puffball! Keep on! Oh well. Nice time of the year for a cruise.